I'm going to talk to you about the April Amazebox. It's a really good one. We have 3 full-size products in here to include Grace lip gloss, to include Prim and Proper lipstick, wearing it, loving it, and the one I'm going to talk about the most on this video is Keen Blush. Reason being, we're going to double it up to elevate our look and create a nice day to night look. Now, these blushes are finely milled so that they apply like a cream. It is a pinky peach, but if you look up close, it has gold reflective particles in here. So what I'm going to show you first is I'm just going to put, I've got a massive brush. We're just going to put a bit on the cheek to give you an idea of the colour and the overall look we're going to get here from the blush. I'm going to put it on quite liberally, build it to how you like it, but I'm being liberal so that you can see how beautiful this is. Can you see the gold reflective? It's like a 2-in-1 highlight and blush. Now when I say they're finely milled, this is non-toxic makeup and it's professional standard. Reason being, this makeup's been designed to last on TV and film sets. So when you're blending your makeup in, you will find it easy. It gives you quick and easy application. When MUAs are backstage TV, on Broadway shows, making music videos, shooting magazine shoots, they do not have time to be messing around with building up products. So you can see the pigment is crazy in these. Now this will last you a long time. It's a really good palette. And what I'm going to do, just to take my look day to night, I'm just going to use my finger in here. I'm just going to add a little bit to the eyelid. Can you see the pigment? How strong it is? And this is like such a baby doll look. I love this sort of colours for the spring. It makes how gorgeous is that? So that's using one of the products that's in the Amazebox. Obviously you can buy these individually, but if you look from the front now, can you see how my eye pops differently? Okay, so next I'm just going to show you, if you now take your little finger and do the same, and this time I'm going to look up and I'm pushing my finger up into my underlid, which is, this is a bit of a knack, so you will get it. You just need to practice basically, and then just use your finger to just smudge away any excess. Go back to your nice brush, dust away, and what that will do is just add a little bit of coloration just here. Can you see under the eye? I'll build it up a bit more because I feel like the more I put on the better it is for you guys to see what I've done. And I'm kind of joining it. And what this is going to do is open my eye, make my eye look bigger and make it stand out more as an eye look. Now you can add obviously more. I would do like a liquid liner. I would put a highlight up under my brow. You could potentially use this. It's quite gold. Let's see what that looks like. Less of it, obviously, but it does give that beautiful highlight effect. I'm actually happy with that. Do you know what? I forget about this colour. I forget about it. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So that's Keen. So I've used the blush on my eyelid to highlight up here, and I've used it just underneath here to lift and give an evening look for my eye. And then I've put on a lot of blusher, but it's enough to show you guys this gorgeous colour. A great thing to do with your blusher when you're trying to line up how to apply. So you take 2 finger widths from your nose, like so, and you do a big smile. And this is going to find you the apple of your cheek, and it's going to find you a distance from your nose to start your blush. And when you do this, you're going to get your blush in the right place every time. And it just means you're lifting up and making that kind of blend, bring that bone up, and just give you an overall lifted face, which don't we all want that? What you can do with the lipstick is you can actually apply a lot to give you more depth of colour. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the lipstick to give me, are you ready for this? To give me a smoky eye look. And I'm just going to pop some on my finger, and I'm dabbing, this is really important, I'm dabbing it onto the outer of my eye. And what that does is just depthens the end, and it'll give you that smoky evening look, which is really cute. Grace lip gloss. It's one we all know and love. If you've been a customer of Lime Life in the past, you may well have this already. What a gorgeous colour. Our lip glosses all smell like cake. It's lovely. And they are non-toxic, cruelty-free. They are non-sticky. Now, a lot of people get these and go, I cannot believe that I didn't know what that meant. Sticky lip gloss is minging. So you want a non-sticky gloss, this is the one. From day look to night look. So when you order your Amazebox, what you're going to get is the box will come in the post like this, and inside you'll get your lipstick, obviously it'll be in a box, your lip gloss will be in a box, and your palette. These are what we call a palette, so the white part here, and the inner is the metal plate. And oh, mine's nice and old, see, reusable. And what you do is you take this out of the clamshell it's in, recycle the packaging, pop that in there, and it fits in magnetically, doesn't fall out. And then when you run out, you reorder the inner, so it's super kind to the environment. So that's this month's Amazebox. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope you've picked up some cool tips. And if you'd like to order, as always, click the link and you can order an Amazebox from me. Thank you for being my customers. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.